Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you are watching my video. And I welcome you all in this very fresh and new video where we are going to do chapter 4, possessive adjectives, though I am not going to use the book today. As it is quite difficult during the live class to use this board and all with the phone. So what I am going to do is, today I'll do the possessive adjectives, and in the live class we are going to do the exercises to make it much clearer to you how to use it, right? First of all, we are going to see what mean by possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are the adjectives which shows the belongingness of a thing, of a person through the adjectives, right? Suppose this is my book. So it shows that this book belongs to me. This is your book. This shows that this book belongs to you, right? Or it belongs to you. So let's see how to do it in French. So possessive adjectives are used to show one's belongingness or possession of the things, persons or places, right? How to do possessive adjectives. First, what we have to do, we need to write all the subjects here. Right? These are called subjects, as you have done possessive adjectives before in class 6 also. So you must be knowing some rules. So what are the possessive adjectives that we can use with the subject je? Means if I am saying I, so my, mine, these are called possessive adjectives in English. What they are in French? They are mon, ma, me. In English, if we are having one noun, then my book, right? If they are plural, still it is my books. So adjective is same. Possessive adjective is same in French, but in English. But in French it is different. For masculine part we use mon, for masculine we are using mon, for feminine we are using ma, and for plural we are using me. If I am saying c'est mon livre, this is my book, livre is masculine, that is why we are using mon, right? C'est ma maison, this is my house, house is feminine, then ma maison. If I am saying these are my books, so mes livres. So as livre is plural, we are talking about more than one thing, then me. You need to know that possessive adjectives will go according to the subject, right? So let's see, what do we use with tu? It's ton, ta, te. Mon, me, ton, ta, te, right? Then son, sa, se. With il or else, son, sa, se. With nous we use notre, notre, same, no, notre, notre, no. Then votre, votre, vos, NOS and VOS. You can check the spellings from your book also. Votre, votre, vos. Then for il, elle plural, leur, leur, and leurs. lurs, we are not going to pronounce lurs, that would be lure only, but lure with S, right? If you wish, I can explain in Hindi also to make it much more clear. Like, as French is much near to Hindi grammar than English, what we can say? With your subject my and my, but in Hindi मेरा, मेरी, मेरे, right? यह मेरा पेन है, यह मेरी किताब है, यह मेरे खिलौने हैं. You can connect it with Hindi, right? Then तुम्हारा, तुम्हारी, तुम्हारे, उसका, उसकी, उसके, आपका, आपकी, आपके, हमारा, हमारी, हमारे, आपका, आपकी, आपके, उनका, उनकी, उनके, right? So my, your, then his or hers, then our, then our, your, theirs, right? So now see how to use it for this particular portion, the singular one. This particular row or column we use for masculine one. My book, your book, his, her book. My house, your house, his, her house. My books, your books, his, her books. Right? So this will go with masculine noun, this will go with feminine noun, and this will go with plural noun. If your noun is feminine but starting with the vowel, one more rule is there. If your noun is feminine but starting with the vowel also, in that case again this row, right? Suppose I am taking one example. I hope you must have done this part. I will do it again. Suppose I am taking I have j'ai mon livre. This is my book. This is masculine. Book is masculine, that is why I am using mon, right? If I am saying j'ai mon invitation, right? I have my invitation. Invitation is feminine, though the invitation is feminine, but we are using mon, not ma, because invitation is starting with the vowel, right? So we are following this rule. Okay, I hope everything is clear with what is written on the board. If not, then you can call me or you can ask during the class or live class, right? Now one example I am taking for feminine part and then for the plural one. So for feminine I am saying j'aime, chalks are not good today. J'aime, I love. J'aime ma maison, I love my house. J'aime ma maison, I love my house. So that would be the house is feminine, so we are using ma. House is feminine, so we are using ma. And then j'aime mes livres, I love my books. So books are plural, so we are using mes. Right? We are having books in plural, so we are using mes here. Right? I hope it is clear. Now one example for the plural subjects part from the plural subjects. From plural subjects, it's very clear, as they are having no other rule. It's notre with nu. Notre. For masculine and feminine, we are having same word, and for plural, it's nos only, right? And for who, again same for masculine and feminine, and for plural it is wo. And again for elal plural same, feminine and masculine same, and in plural we are just adding s at the end, right? So I am taking one example. Nous aimons notre livre. We love our book. So book is masculine, we are using notre. If it would have maison, still it would be notre only, as the spellings for masculine possessive adjective is same, right? Notre maison or notre livre, same spelling, right? If we are saying I love my books, so nos, no livre. That's it. So plural one. C'est tout. That's all for today. I hope you must have understood how to use the possessive adjectives, and we are going to discuss one exercise related to this topic in the live class to see or check whether you are getting it or no. So till then, you have to revise the rules and take out your doubts to ask during the class or live class on Wednesday. So till then, bye bye. Study hard, party hard, stay fit.